These 5 objects appear in this picture of the beach. Can you find them? Let's take a look. Let's first look for this beach umbrella. Over here on the left, I see a beach umbrella. Is it the same as this umbrella here? This umbrella has a red section, a white section, and a red section. This umbrella also has a red section, a white section, and a red section. It looks the same. This umbrella is the same as this umbrella. Do you see any more umbrellas? I see another umbrella to the right of this umbrella. This umbrella looks the same. It has 3 sections. It's the same shape, but the colors are different. This umbrella has a blue section, a white section, and a blue section. This umbrella is red and white. So this umbrella is similar, but it is not the same. I see more umbrellas at the beach. Are they the same as this umbrella? This umbrella has 2 red sections on the sides and 1 white section in the middle. This umbrella has 2 red sections on the side and 1 in the middle. This umbrella also has 2 red sections and a white section in the middle. This umbrella looks the same as these 2 umbrellas, and these umbrellas look the same as this umbrella. Do you see any more umbrellas in this picture at the beach? I see this umbrella here. This umbrella has blue sections and a white section, and so does this umbrella. This umbrella has 2 blue and 1 white sections. So they look similar to this umbrella, but they're not the same. So in this picture, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 umbrellas that are the same as this umbrella. There are 1, 2, 3 umbrellas that are similar to this umbrella, but not the same. Now let's look for the sea turtle in this picture. Do you see any sea turtles? Over here on the left, I see 2 sea turtles swimming together. Are they the same as this sea turtle here? This sea turtle has a green body. It has a green head and green flippers and a green tail. These sea turtles also have green heads, green flippers, and green tails. Are they the same as this sea turtle here? Let's look a little bit further. This sea turtle has a brown shell. These sea turtles have green shells. So these sea turtles look similar, but they're not the same. There are 3 more sea turtles in this picture. 1, 2, 3. These 3 sea turtles are swimming together. Are these turtles the same as this turtle? These 3 turtles have green bodies. They have green heads and green flippers and green tails. Are they the same? This sea turtle has a brown shell, and these 3 sea turtles also have brown shells. So these 3 sea turtles are the same as this sea turtle. In this picture, there are 2 sea turtles that are similar to this sea turtle, and then there are 3 sea turtles that are the same as this sea turtle. Now let's take a look at this beach towel. This towel has stripes. It has blue and white stripes. Do you see beach towels that are the same as this one? This beach towel on the left has stripes, just like this towel. The color of the stripes are blue and white. So this beach towel is the same as this beach towel. There's another beach towel to the right of this one. This beach towel also has stripes. Is it the same as this towel? Let's see. This towel has green and pink stripes. This towel has blue and white stripes. So this towel is similar, but it is not the same. I see more towels at the beach in this picture. These children are standing on a beach towel. This beach towel has stripes. The stripes are blue and white, just like this beach towel. So this beach towel looks the same as this beach towel. There's another beach towel behind the children. This beach towel has green and pink stripes. So this towel is similar to this towel, but it is not the same. This little girl is standing next to another beach towel. This beach towel has blue and white stripes, just like this one. So this beach towel is the same. There is one more beach towel in this picture. Can you see it? At the front of the picture on the right, there is another striped beach towel, and this has green and pink stripes. So it is similar to this beach towel, but it is not the same. There are 1, 2, 3 beach towels that are the same as this towel, and 1, 2, 3 beach towels that are similar to this beach towel, but not the same. This next object is a sailboat. Do you see sailboats in the water? This sailboat has a white sail and an orange sail and a dark blue hull. This sailboat in the water has a white sail and an orange sail and a dark blue hull. So it looks the same as this sailboat. The sailboat next to it also has a white sail. The other sail is blue. So that is a different color than this sail. It also has a red hull. So the shape is the same, but the colors are different. So this sailboat is similar to this sailboat, but it is not the same. One more sailboat in this picture. This sailboat on the right has a white sail and an orange sail and a dark blue hull. So this sailboat is the same as this sailboat, and it is also the same as this sailboat. So this picture has 1, 2 sailboats that are the same as this sailboat, and it has one sailboat that is similar to this sailboat, but not the same. This bathing suit has a green top and a pink bottom. Do you see this bathing suit in this picture? Let's take a look. This little girl is wearing a bathing suit, and her bathing suit top is green, and the bathing suit bottom is pink. This bathing suit looks the same as this bathing suit. The little girl to the right of her is also wearing a bathing suit, and her bathing suit top is green, and the bottom is pink. So this bathing suit is the same as this bathing suit. I see one more girl wearing a pink and green bathing suit. This little girl on the right is wearing a bathing suit with a pink top and green bottom. But this bathing suit has a green top and pink bottom. So it is similar, but it is not the same because the colors are reversed. So in this picture, there are two bathing suits that are the same as this bathing suit, and one bathing suit that is similar to this bathing suit, but it is not the same.